वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल दोस्तों। आज हम सीखने वाले जॉब रिलेटेड इंग्लिश वोकेबलरी, वो भी हिंदी मीनिंग और आसान प्रोनाउंसिएशन के साथ। आज का वीडियो खास उन लोगों के लिए जो जॉब की तैयारी कर रहे हैं, इंग्लिश में बात करना चाहते हैं या फिर इंटरव्यू में अच्छा इंप्रेशन जमाना चाहते हैं। तो चलिए बिना टाइम वेस्ट किए शुरू करते हैं आज का वीडियो। आज का फर्स्ट वर्ड है जॉब। जॉब इट मीन्स नौकरी। द नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज वर्क। वर्क इट मीन्स काम। The next word is career. Career it means career या पेशा। The next word is interview. Interview it means साक्षात्कार। The next word is resume. Resume it means बायोडाटा या जीवन परिचय। The next word is employer. Employer it means नियोक्ता या नौकरी देने वाला। The next word is employee. Employee it means कर्मचारी। The next word is salary. Salary it means वेतन या तनख्वाह। The next word is wages. Wages it means मजदूरी। The next word is promotion. Promotion it means पदोन्नति। The next word is demotion. Demotion it means पदोन्नति। The next word is resignation. Resignation it means इस्तीफा। The next word is fired. Fired it means जॉब से निकाला गया। The next word is boss. Boss it means मालिक या उच्च अधिकारी। The next word is manager. Manager it means प्रबंधक। The next word is colleague. Colleague it means सहकर्मी। The next word is office. Office it means कार्यालय। The next word is workload. Workload it means कार्यभार। The next word is deadline. Deadline it means समय सीमा। The next word is overtime. Overtime it means अतिरिक्त समय का कार्य। The next word is shift. Shift it means पाली या फिर shift. The next word is task. Task it means कार्य। The next word is responsibility. Responsibility it means जिम्मेदारी। The next word is experience. Experience it means अनुभव। The next word is skills. Skills it means कौशल। The next word is part-time. Part-time it means अंशकालिक कार्य। The next word is full-time. Full-time it means पूर्णकालिक कार्य। The next word is internship. Internship it means प्रशिक्षण कार्य। The next word is contract. Contract it means अनुबंध। The next word is freelance. Freelance it means स्वतंत्र कार्य। The next word is job opening. Job opening it means रिक्त पद। The next word is recruitment. Recruitment it means भर्ती। The next word is vacancy. Vacancy it means खाली पद। The next word is reference. Reference it means सिफारिश या परिचय। The next word is performance. Performance it means प्रदर्शन। The next word is appraisal. Appraisal it means मूल्यांकन। The next word is transfer. Transfer it means तबादला। The next word is retired. Retired it means सेवानिवृत्ति। The next word is leave. Leave it means छुट्टी। The next word is job application. Job application it means नौकरी का आवेदन। The next word is job interview. Job interview it means नौकरी का साक्षात्कार। The next word is job description. Job description it means नौकरी का विवरण। The next word is job security. Job security it means नौकरी की सुरक्षा। The next word is employment. Employment it means रोजगार या नौकरी। The next word is unemployment. Unemployment it means बेरोजगारी। The next word is job seeker. Job seeker it means नौकरी खोजने वाला व्यक्ति। The next word is work environment. Work environment it means कार्य का वातावरण। The next word is teamwork. Teamwork it means teamwork या सामूहिक कार्य। The next word is collaboration. Collaboration it means सहयोग या साथ मिलकर काम करना। The next word is efficiency. Efficiency it means कार्यकुशलता। The next word is productivity. Productivity it means उत्पादकता। The next word is job satisfaction. Job satisfaction it means नौकरी से संतुष्टि। The next word is time management. Time management it means समय प्रबंधन। The next word is client. Client it means ग्राहक या client. The next word is customer service. Customer service it means ग्राहक सेवा। The next word is attendance. Attendance it means उपस्थिति। The next word is work permit. Work permit it means कार्य अनुमति। The next word is background check. Background check it means पृष्ठभूमि जांच। The next word is job portal. Job portal it means नौकरी की वेबसाइट. The next word is headhunting. Headhunting it means प्रतिभाशाली कर्मचारी की खोज. The next word is notice period. Notice period it means notice अवधि. The next word is work ethics. Work ethics it means कार्य नैतिकता. The next word is burnout. Burnout it means अत्यधिक थकान या मानसिक तनाव. The next word is work from home. Work from home it means घर से कार्य. The next word is remote job. Remote job it means दूरस्थ नौकरी. The next word is office politics. Office politics it means दफ्तर की राजनीति. The next word is team leader. Team leader it means टीम का नेता. The next word is supervisor. Supervisor it means पर्यवेक्षक. The next word is consultant. Consultant it means सलाहकार. The next word is HR. HR का फुल फॉर्म ह्यूमन रिसोर्स होता है. ह्यूमन रिसोर्स it means मानव संसाधन विभाग. The next word is admin. Admin it means प्रशासनिक कार्यकर्ता. The next word is assistant. Assistant it means सहायक. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज बिजनेस ओनर. बिजनेस ओनर इट मीन्स व्यवसाय का मालिक. तो दोस्तों ये थे जॉब से जुड़े कुछ जरूरी इंग्लिश वर्ड जिनका इस्तेमाल आप रोजमर्रा की इंग्लिश में कर सकते हैं. अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आए तो वीडियो को लाइक करें, दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करें. ऐसे ही जबरदस्त वोकैबुलरी वीडियो देखने के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए. कमेंट में बताएं आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो किस टॉपिक पर चाहिए. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. जय हिंद, जय भारत.